Hello, my friends. I want to do a quick tutorial on creating a site in ClickFunnels. And I'm going to probably break this up into multiple recordings, but to get you started, this is just an intro on how you access it. Literally, you have a login which you would create. You would go to clickfunnels.com, and once you log in, it brings you right into the back end. I'm going to go into the funnels section. At the top here, there's a menu that says Click Funnels. I'm going to go into the funnels and show you how easy it is to create a funnel. So once you click on funnels and select funnel, if you're creating a new funnel, you would click on Add New, pretty intuitive here. And then it gives you a choice of using what they call the cookbook builder process or the classic funnel builder. Now, the classic is a older interface. I prefer to use the cookbook. So let's go ahead and enter in there. So once you get into the cookbook, there's an introduction that you can read. It's a free copy of the how to use this cookbook. And I'm going to go ahead and close that for now. Once you're in, you can decide if you're in a particular industry. You can select that industry, and then you'll see different funnels that are already pre-built. You can always select a blank funnel and build your own. But as you can see, if I was an author, speaker, or coach, I might want to create a site or a funnel that's specific to generating leads or selling a product. But anyway, you can select what it is that you're doing. I'm going to go ahead and select professional services, and in reference to my free website design service. And as you can see, let's see, I guess I'll select, I'm not selling a product, I'm not creating an event, so I'll select generate leads. And that's it. So I'll just see what's here. I can see that there's a squeeze page funnel, survey funnel, bridge funnel, reverse squeeze page. By the way, with all of these pre-built funnels, if you want to know more about them, you can just click on it. You can always go back and change it, but I just clicked on this one. It's loading. And the nice thing about this is before you even apply the template, you can watch this video where Russell goes into details on what this particular funnel is all about. So you can see under homepage funnel, he provides directions on how to use it, what the elements are of the funnel. And then one of the nice things about this is you can look at all the available funnels, and they're broken up between free and paid. If you didn't want to, right now this is a mixture of all, but if you only wanted to look at free, I just clicked on free. So now these are all the free funnels. And if I wanted to look at paid, these are all the paid funnels. And if I wanted to look at everything together, I could select all. Now keep in mind, as I said, there's a blank funnel and there are these different templates. What I tend to do is select a template that matches the general theme of the direction I'm heading in. So I like this one, and if I select this, let me just show you what happens here. You can always come in and modify any elements on here. This is just the initial template. It's giving you a view of what the thank you page looks like, what the home page, squeeze page looks like. And all you have to do is down at the bottom, click on Get Funnel. And when I click on Get Funnel, it downloads this free funnel into my funnel list. So it's loading right now. And then once it's here, you can begin customizing. Some of the things that you'll want to do, I'll explain in other videos. But basically, this is how you get started. Once you're in, you would click on the edit page and start dragging and dropping and building what you'd like to see. And we'll talk about that in another video. Hope you found this helpful. Talk to you later.